These borders here were never designed by Africans. They were imposed on us by colonialists when they were dividing Africa amongst themselves. Twilang self-hate. How bonali Zimbabwe? You must see yourself. We are all black. We are all suffering. When it's an African, it's a criminal. Hey, they are the ones who are bringing drugs. Hey, they are the ones who are committing crime. It's not true. Go and read the statistics of South Africa. But women are abused by their immediate or well-known people to them. It's not Nigerians who are known to women. It is you. The whole of Africa was there for us when we were in the difficult times. They gave us guns. They gave us their houses.